My name is Shahpur. I have done double masters in the history of art and architecture. I am teaching here interior design degree and I am coordinating interior design degree here. And duration of interior design degree is 4 years, in which each semester students have to enroll for internship because they have industrial training in each semester. And if I have to talk about the first year, which is entirely depends on the fine arts, and students learn about different aspects of paintings, sculptures, photography, and they know about the wall art and many more things. From second year, students come to know about that mainstream work, like they know about the interior design, as they know about how to design a house, restaurant, hospitals, schools, because every properties have different aspects of designs. And from second year onwards, they know about other aspects of interior design. They come to know about different software. Students come to know about how to make a furniture. And we have also a wooden workshop here where technician, which was allotted by a management. If I have to talk about scope of interior design, student can work as an interior decorator, event manager, theatre manager, and so on, in which they can work as an interior designer. The one more thing about interior design, students from any stream can enroll themselves in interior design. There is not any single restriction for the student.
Hello, my name is Levi. I'm from Nagaland. I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Architecture here in City Institute. It's a great privilege and honor to share my thoughts and view on my architecture journey. The campus is well equipped with the best facilities and the best friends. They have the best facilities, the infrastructure, and the amenities, like the library, the studio, and the computer lab. They have the great libraries with great books for the students. The best things I would like to share is it's not the book that we learn, that they have the limit, but we get an opportunity to do the painting, drafting work on walls, on street walls within the campus. That is the best thing I liked about, that we get to explore more.
I'm Nikita Sharma, a student of City Group of Architecture and Planning. Since semester first, I learned a lot about design, architecture philosophy, and everything I need for my career. The environment I get after joining the City Group is commendable and stress-free. I have never seen any student worried or confused about their future or academics or anything, as faculty is always supportive here.
My name is Himanshu Mehra from Pathankot. I am a student of City Group of Institution of Architecture and Planning. I am grateful to be a part of this college. The wonderful experience of teachers and students is something special that money cannot buy. This made me realize that I have something special that many don't have. I would like to say to my friends, come here and see the wonderful innovations and art and wonderful memories to be the City Group of Institution.
Hello everyone, I am Tanishka Gupta, third year student in City Institute of Architecture and Planning. I came from Uttarakhand to Punjab with an aim to become an architect. For me, architecture is my dream to try design someone else's dream. In City, I got exposure to architectural world. Our faculty members and staff members are extremely knowledgeable and supportive. This is the best architecture college in Jalandhar.
Hi, I am Kaushal Saini, student of interior design. I joined City Institute in 2019. Since 2019 to now, I learned a lot of things like design, art, and other things which is needed in my future career. In City Institute, the environment of the campus is commendable and stress-free. Interior design is the best use of available space.
Hi, I'm Navjot, student of City Group of Institutions, studying here since 2019. My course is B-Design Interior, in which we learn a lot of creative things. Since 2019, I had learned a lot of new things, like their crafting, designing, drawings. I love painting, and I learned a lot in painting, their color choices. In different colors we draw, we make canvases. In the starting there is a foundation course in which we learn about these things like art, drawing, craft, modeling. And from second year we started to learn about SketchUp, AutoCAD type of software. My personally favorite subject is design. I love to design. Thank you.